Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage gift cards in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do to go to the gift card section is click here on the product section at the left. And from here we would have the gift cards section just below the products right here. So click on it and you can see the option right here to start selling gift cards. And what you want to do is either issue a gift card or add gift card product. But in this tutorial, we'll be adding a gift card product. So click on it. And from here, we can provide a title, description, media, denominations, and of course, our is SEO. And you want to make sure that this is active right here. And yeah, now let's start with the title. So let's say this is a let's say this is a gift card promo, just like that. And you want to go provide a description for this. This is just a promo for a limited time. Maybe just like that, descriptions like that. It's up to you on how you can put some creativity into it. And of course, you can add a media right here. You can just drag the files or just click here so that you would be able to browse your storage right here. So in my case, it'll be like this. And as you can see, I have now successfully imported my media. And now I get to put the denominations right here. So maybe if you can also change this peso sign into dollars if you'd want to, but mine is in pesos, so you could just modify the denominations right here on how much this gift card is gonna be, how much value it's gonna have right here. So let's say I'm going for this one right here, and yeah, just like that. And that's very easy. And I accidentally saved it, so I can still edit it right here. So I can add a variant right here. Let's add a variant right here for denominations, and I can add 5,000 right there. And let's click on save. And by the way, for every variant, you can also add an image right here. And of course, here, if you want to, you can go for SKU and so on right here. But we're not gonna do that because this is just a simple instruction. Tutorial in order for me to show you on how do you do it. And of course, your SEO, this is very important right here. So you need to optimize your search engine. And from here, you can optimize the page title like right here. So there are a lot of options on how you can create a very good page title right here using AI, but that is another topic. So that is for you to explore. And of course, the meta description can also be created by AI, or you can create it yourself. And yeah, you make sure that you have successfully optimized this because this is very important for other people to find out. But if you don't, if this gift card is just exclusive, then you don't really need to mess with this one. If you think that this is just for some specific persons, then yeah, you don't need to go and optimize the search engine. And after that, all you have to do is basically click on save after you have changed everything right here. For example, I'll just change it right here. And you can click here on save right there so that you can save everything right here. And all that's left to do is go into your store and see the gift card being put up right there. So let's go into our store and let's go click here on view your store right here. And as you can see at the bottom, I have now my gift card promo right here. I have the gift card, and that's basically it on how you can go and set up and manage your gift cards here in Shopify.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.